I go continue to protect and defend the interest of Naija people wey dey law-abiding for Obodoyinbo. PMB na im tok dis one. President Buhari don tok say im administration go continue to collaborate with Naija pipo wey dey Obodoyinbo so that dem fit play their part to help develop Naija. President tok dis one on Thursday when he meet with the leadership and some members of Naija community for Spain. John Bosco wey be president for the Association of Naija Pipo for Spain and Ademola Seriki wey be Naija president to Spain come tok say Naija pipo for Spain dey try their best make dem for no spoil the good name wey Naija get.
The Nigerian community here has been growing every year because of the opportunity that Spain offers to many of us. We are doing our very best to make sure that we represent Nigerians well by projecting the good image of Nigeria and avoiding anything that will tarnish the image of Nigeria.
We have 80,000 documented Nigerians in Spain, and I, as the head of mission, am driving it within the limits of power and rule of law without compromising anything that may be an infraction.
President Buhari come tok say belle dey sweet am anytime he meet with Naija pipo for Obodoyinbo, say make them continue to represent Naija wella as dem be ambassadors of Naija.
I believe that you are aware of how important your character, conduct, and comportment in your daily activities define your roles as ambassadors of Nigeria abroad. I wish to reassure all of you in Spain of the determination of the federal government of Nigeria to continue to remain engaged with our compatriots in the diaspora for more purposeful partnership that impact our country and people.
President Okonyan say make them collaborate with government to build better Naija for everybody, and him ready to make sure say Naija get free and fair election for the 2023 general elections.
Our unity in diversity has always been our strength. I therefore call on all Nigerians, including those of you in diaspora, to join hands with us in building the Nigeria we desperately want. We have started the process leading to our national election in 2023. Our government is working tirelessly to ensure that the Independent National Electoral Commission delivers credible, free and fair elections and a smooth transition to the next democratic government. This is with a view to concretizing our democracy and being an example to other African countries.
Abike Dape will be the chairman for Nigerians Diaspora Commission Contact say the reason for the meeting na to make Naija people wey dey Obodoyinbo sabi the policies of federal government.
The key thing is he's following what everybody is doing and ensuring that we also engage with them and ensure that they're carried on along with the programs and policies of the federal government. I think that's just the key thing. How do Nigerians at home work with Nigerians in the diaspora to build a country of our dreams? Nobody can do it alone. So, and that is always the president's message. Ours is to follow up and ensure that those engagements turn to positive productivity for our country, Nigeria.
Kenneth Omero will be Naija player for Spain, come present jersey to President Buhari. Ebu Sereme Ubinome, TMC TV News.